I'm going to introduce EasyPact EXE in 60 seconds. EasyPact EXE medium voltage circuit breakers are the ideal solution for commercial buildings, industrial plants and power grid substations. Its unique modular and compact design allows for simplified integration and quick adjustments by panel builders, resulting in shorter delivery times. EasyPact EXE fully complies with the latest standards. The truck design allows for seamless integration, and its smart plug-and-play capabilities help to ensure minimal downtime. EasyPact EXE is natively digital, with optional thermal sensors for predictive maintenance and a motorized truck for remote operation. It has a host of online digital tools for selection, configuration, ordering, as well as access to an online documentation for efficient project management. And that's EasyPact EXE, the versatile and efficient solution for MV switchgear in 60 seconds.